Hello students, today we are going to solve this question where we have so that the points a minus a minus a and minus root 3a are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. Also find its area. We know that equilateral triangle means where all the three sides are equal to each other, right? That is called equilateral triangle. So this is A point, this is V, this is C. A point is given, say AA. Okay, A is the coordinates, minus a for B, minus a, and for C it is minus root 3a and root 3a. So this question seems hard, but it is very easy, and after that we have to find the area of equilateral triangle also. First we will find the distance. If we can able to prove that these three sides are equal to each other, that means it will be proved that it is an equilateral triangle. So first we will find the value of AB. So we know that how to find distance means what we have to do, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So that means it will come a minus of minus a, it will become plus a square plus y2 minus y1 square. So a minus of minus a will become plus a. Okay, so if you will solve this part, a plus a will become, students, 2a square. If you will do, it will come 4a square. Here also it will come 4a square. That means you have root 4 plus 4, 8a square, which can also be written as 8 can be written as 4 into 2, a square can be written as a into a. So inside the root, if you have 2 a's, so 1 a you will take outside, for 4 2 will come outside, so 2a root 2. Okay, this is the value for AB. Same thing we will do for BC also. So in BC, now this minus this if you will do, so it will come minus a, minus of minus root 3a will become root 3a square plus same thing minus a, and this one minus a minus root 3a. If you will do this one, so here this one is square. See what we are going to do, a plus b whole square formula we will apply, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square will become a square plus b square means this one square will become 3a square plus 2ab. So here is minus, so it will become minus twice of a into root 3a. Okay, then here same thing, a square plus b square plus 2ab we will apply, so it will become a square plus b square plus 2ab. So plus 2ab when you are applying, so here you have to see 2 into a is in minus a, b is in minus root 3a, minus minus will become plus, so no need of putting minus sign here, directly we can write root 3a. Now you see this part and this part is same, only sign difference is there, so this whole thing will get cancelled. Now we have 3 1 4a square, here 4a square, so 4 4 8a square it will come. Same thing is coming now, this one and this one is same, so answer will also be same, 2a root 2. Okay, same thing we will do for CA also. If you will write CA coordinates in distance formula, you will observe that this minus this will come, that means a plus root 3a will come, and then a minus root 3a will come. Okay, that means x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 square we did. Same thing if you will solve here, a square plus 3a square plus 2 root 3 a square, here a square plus 3a square minus 2 root 3 a square, this whole thing will get cancelled, and same thing you will get 8a square root over 8a square, that means 2a root 2. Now from here what you have understood that AB value, BC value and CA value all are same. If all are same, that means it is an equilateral triangle. So finally you will write AB is equal to BC is equal to CA, so it is an equilateral triangle. Now you have to find the area. You know the formula of area is, area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square. A means what, students? Side. Okay, side, any side if you can take, because all the sides are equal only. So root 3 by 4 a square means side square, so side is here 2a root 2 square, or directly you can write root 8a square, so directly you will get the value 8a square. Here you can solve it, so it will come 2 square means what, 4, a square means a square, root 2 square is 2, so 4 2 is 8, 4 4 cancel, here it will come 2 root 3 a square. That's the final answer of our question. 2 root 3 a square is the area of the equilateral triangle. And now We have proved it also that AB value is this, BC value is this, CA value is this, all three are coming equal, so it is an equilateral triangle. Hope you have understood it, student, and if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. You can ask me any question related to mathematics in my YouTube channel. Okay, bye bye.